Have you ever wondered why some people seem to manifest their dreams effortlessly, while others struggle? The secret is understanding how manifestation truly works. In today's video, I'll guide you through the 3 steps to manifestation, reveal the 4 ways people commonly manifest, show you how to master manifestation to master your life, and help you start living life on your terms. Plus, don't forget to download your free ebook to deepen your practice and make these techniques even more powerful. Thank you for being here. My name is Sana and I'm with Vibration Mentor, where we support our clients in having a joyous journey in life no matter what is happening around them, so they can manifest the life they choose. Let's get started. Welcome to Module 6. Common obstacles in the conscious light manifestation process. Challenges are a natural part of the manifestation process. This module teaches you how to recognize some of these and navigate through common roadblocks from doubts to impatience. So as we said, challenges are a natural part of manifestation. Recognizing obstacles helps you stay empowered and focused. Each challenge is an opportunity to grow into deeper alignment. The challenge of clarity and belief in asking. So oftentimes, lack of clarity about what you want or feeling unworthy of your desires are some very powerful obstacles. So this is where having a way to journal or do self-reflection to ensure that your asks align with who you are, come from a place of high vibration, and really feel true to where you want to be. So as we talked before in the ask section, step 1, we talked about how really delve deep into the ask and ask yourself, what is it that I really want? Why do I want it? And over time, become more and more clear about it and enjoy, almost savor the unfolding. That's a phrase I love to hear. It's basically just enjoy the unfolding, enjoy it coming about, so that it really creates this kind of excited anticipation of knowing. This is a very beautiful way to just relax into the ask. Self-worth is another big obstacle to belief in the ask. If you don't believe you are worthy of love, of ease, of abundance, of all the things that you want, then it's going to make it very hard for you to vibrate wanting that. Instead, you're vibrating, I don't have that. You're vibrating, I'm not worthy of that. I'll never have that. I don't deserve that. And that is what you're vibrating, and that's what will come. So it's critical that you truly are honest with how you're feeling about your asks. So when you think about what it is that you're asking for, what it is that you want, how do I feel about it? And does it feel real? Does it feel like it's part of me? If it shows up tomorrow, do I just feel the same way naturally? That's your question. So your work is really going to be around removing limiting beliefs, old thought patterns, to make sure that this alignment of the ask is absolute in the way that you want and vibrationally harmonious with what you want. I love this one, the challenge of releasing control and trusting. This is all about feeling you have to suffer, struggle, or work so hard to control all the pieces to bring it together. Here's the thing, you can't. At the end of the day, it's the law of attraction that is responsible to bring everything to you, to gather all the cooperative components necessary to make any manifestation appear. So ultimately, you cannot control anything but your thoughts. So you have to step back and release control and just trust in the knowing. Your work is going to be ensuring your vibration is high, that your vibrational alignment is always high, so that you can pull in all the things you want tied to light manifestation. Your other work is going to be letting go of old beliefs, systems, everything you were taught around the fact that you don't deserve or can't just have what you want. that it has to be difficult. So we believe that you can have a joyous journey and achieve anything you want in any way you want. That things don't have to come about in a miserable way, in a difficult way, in an anxious way. You can still enjoy your journey and master and achieve whatever it is that you want in your life. So practice mindfulness and meditation to relax into the process. When you can calm your mind and be still and just relax, and meditation and mindfulness can come in any technique. I tell people you can be mindful when you're playing with your children. You can be mindful going for a walk or exercising. But the intention is to let go, release, and allow whatever to come up. If nothing comes up, that's wonderful too. But really have the intention to feel tranquil so that things can show themselves. And the more you're aware of how you're feeling, the more you're likely to cue in on what you need to do to change your alignment, if you do, to align in a way that is more harmonious with what you want. Focusing on the present, enjoying the present moment, trusting that your desires are manifesting, that they're all coming. By enjoying and loving where you are in the present moment, you are able to find that joy. Years ago, someone told me, and I believe this wholeheartedly, that shame, guilt, and those types of feelings live in the past. So if you're focused on the past, that is where shame and guilt live, and regret, things like that. If you're focused on the future, this is where fear and anxiousness live, and being nervous. So those feelings are about what's coming and not knowing what's coming and not being in control. And then feeling joyful, feeling at peace, feeling at ease, that is always in the present. You can always find that in the present. And so by knowing how you're feeling, you know where your focus is. A quick way of focusing on joy is coming back to the present. Now, some people are very powerful in their mind and in their mindfulness practice, and they can be joyful and excited when they think about the future and even about their past. So that is definitely something we can all get to, and it is so freeing to know that regardless whether you're thinking about your past, your future, your present, you can find that powerful joy, that excitement. Know that there are so many ways to do this, and the possibilities are infinite to help you on this joyous journey. Sometimes there are difficulties in recognizing opportunities or feeling unworthy of receiving. How often do you find people who feel unworthy of a promotion or of love or of having something wonderful happen to them? They push it away instead of saying, thank you for this gift, thank you for this wonderful news, and instead they kind of push it away. So by pushing away, even something small can push away the big thing you want. I one time had a client who was making fun of this gentleman who was giving her compliments because she found him unattractive and undesirable. And I said, that's fine. You can maybe not align with that. You don't have to be with this person, but just take that compliment as a thank you. The universe is sending you someone to say, you're beautiful, you're desirable, you're wanted. And just say thank you and just accept it as it is and just as a compliment. But don't make fun of it. Don't push it away. Don't belittle that person, because by doing that, you're actually pushing away all the abundance tied to that, if that makes sense. Appreciation of all the small things will allow all the big things to come that you want to appreciate, that you want to enjoy, and that you want to savor. Stay open and aware of the signs and opportunities that the universe provides. Remember, even small gifts, pay attention. Just someone smiling at you, someone being kind to you, someone just giving to you a little bit of who they are. Just be open to whatever is coming and just be grateful, because all of this helps put you on this path and it becomes your way of life. And this is when conscious light manifestation pushes and trains the unconscious to be the same way. So the way this looks is, for example, People who are negative, when they see something negative happen, they say, yeah, of course, my life is always difficult. This, bad things always happen to me. Then it's almost like they just expect to see it, and that's what they focus on. Versus somebody who has a positive disposition, if they see something negative happen, they say, oh, that's a fluke. They don't think that that is their common way of life. They expect positive things to happen on a much more regular basis than negative things. And even if negative things happen in succession, they know this is not their end result, and that the positive things are their birthright, and that's natural for them. Be aware of what you're expecting, what you're saying, because that is very, very powerful. Accept with gratitude. Practice receiving with grace and appreciation. Make sure that at least in your mind, say thank you. If you can, with words, say thank you. With your actions, say thank you. Write it down. Practice gratitude and appreciation. So please focus on staying encouraged on the journey. All of the exercises you did in the previous chapters may seem simple, but they will all help you stay aligned on your journey. Just knowing you've got a list of all your favorite things that keep you focused, having activities and things you can enjoy to put you in a better mood. All of these things help keep you encouraged and help to ensure that your journey will always be a happy, joyful, prosperous one, no matter what. Patience and persistence. Patience is just relaxing into the knowing and knowing it is all coming. And patience is such a beautiful part of the joyous journey because it's saying, yes, this is coming. And in the meantime, I'm going to enjoy XYZ. I'm still going to have a great time. I'm still going to love my life. I'm still going to appreciate myself. I'm still going to enjoy others. I am still going to love life. And that is just this powerful persistence. And over time, once you train your unconscious mind to live in positivity, live with appreciation, live in a state of gratitude and celebration for all that you have, you will be unstoppable. And having a joyous journey will feel like your natural state. Now, please go to chapter 5 of your ebook and workbook. Here are the exercises to complete. Go to the Identifying Obstacles worksheet and then the Patience and Persistence Planner Guide. Enjoy and come back after you finish. Thank you for watching and learning about the obstacles. These are just a few of the obstacles that come up when people are working through their manifestation journey. And hopefully this will help you enjoy your life more and reshift and focus more on what you want. And remember, what you bring into your awareness is what you manifest. So hopefully this will help you and support you in your journey. And last, we have our final module where we just sort of bring it all together and we tell you more about what we offer at Vibration Mentor and how we can support you. And there's also a lot of great resources in the free ebook and workbook. Thanks so much. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more insights on manifestation, mindfulness, and personal growth. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a video. Drop a comment with your thoughts, and I'll see you in the next one.